In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to FTP website Bluehost. FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, lets you upload, download, and manage your website files directly between your computer and your hosting server. It's especially useful for moving large files, installing themes or plugins manually, and fixing issues right on the server. On Bluehost, your main website files typically live in the public HTML folder, which is what visitors see when they load your site. Start by signing into your Bluehost account and opening the My Account dashboard. From there, head to the Websites section. This shows all sites connected to your hosting. Choose the site you want to work with and select Manage to open its Settings panel, where you'll find tools related to files, access, and configuration. Inside the site's management area, look for Files and Access. This is where Bluehost centralizes options related to file handling and credentials. Next, open FTP Manage. You'll land on the FTP Accounts page, which is where you create and control the usernames that are allowed to connect to your server via an FTP client such as FileZilla. On the FTP Accounts page, click Create FTP Account. You'll be prompted for a few details. First, pick a clear, memorable username. If you'll have multiple users later, a naming convention helps keep things organized, but one account is all you need to begin. Next, select the domain this FTP user should be associated with. This tells Bluehost which site's files the account is intended to access. Then add a strong password. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Keep an eye on the password strength meter. It's there to help you avoid weak credentials. If you'd rather not invent one, you can use the built-in password generator and save the result in a secure password manager. Set the directory for the account. This determines where the user lands when connecting. For full site access on your primary domain, point it to public HTML. If you want to restrict access to a specific project or subfolder, set that folder instead. This is a great way to limit risk when sharing access with collaborators. When everything looks good, click Create. Your new FTP account will appear in the list with its username and assigned directory. You can now use these credentials in your preferred FTP client to connect and upload files to the correct location. Remember, updates to public HTML affect what your visitors see, so double-check you're in the right folder before transferring files. That's it. You've set up FTP on Bluehost and you're ready to manage your website files with confidence.